Tēnā koutou katoa, ko Chris toko ingoa, ke te whare tuaka o Otago oho e mihi ana. Hi, my name is Chris and I'm a science communicator at the Otago Museum. Now I was rummaging through my kitchen cabinets when I'm thinking about science when I came across a couple of very useful and favourite kitchen ingredients. Now I found white vinegar and I also found baking soda. Now we're going to use these today in our experiment. Did you know that household fire extinguishers uses chemicals and carbon dioxide to put out fires? Now we're going to use our common household ingredients to make our own fire extinguisher. Right, so here we are. I've got my bowl and I've just placed it on a piece of kitchen paper just to catch any spills. Now, first thing, once we've done that, is to grab a tea light candle and place that into the centre of our bowl. Now this is where you'll need your adult helper. We're going to light the candle. There we go. Once the candle's lit, we're going to take our white vinegar. Just going to slowly pour that into the bowl, remembering not to splash the flame. Now we want to fill the vinegar just about halfway up to the side of the candle, like so. Now once we've done that, we're going to grab the baking soda in a teaspoon. And we're going to sprinkle the baking soda over the vinegar. Now, watch what happens to the candle and watch what happens when the baking soda hits the vinegar. Okay, so the candle's gone out. Now let's see if we can relight the candle. Oh, not with that one. Oh, not with that one. Not with that one. In this experiment, we produced a chemical reaction. We made carbon dioxide, which weighs more than oxygen. Now, fire needs three elements to burn: heat, fuel, and oxygen. Take one of these elements away, then the fire goes out. In our case, the carbon dioxide covered the flame, replacing the oxygen, which meant the flame died. Now it's your turn. Use different amounts of vinegar and baking soda and to see how much carbon dioxide you can produce. How many flames can you extinguish with one bowl of carbon dioxide? There's the challenge. Be safe. Don't forget to ask an adult to help. Ka kite anō.